Today is one of the most exciting days in my career because I started this podcast a few months back and we have garnered huge following on YouTube. But today is that special day when my son decided that he wants to join me on this podcast and he wants to be questioned by me and he wants to come online. But this gives me extreme pleasure, excitement to host my son, Varis Mittal, aka Star Varis, and that's how you search him online, even on Instagram and YouTube. So let me introduce you to my son. He's a 9-year-old kid studying in Vivek High School, Chandigarh, grade 3 in the environment Tigris. And I'm so proud to host him today. And maybe very soon there will be a day that I might have that pleasure to get posted by him on his podcast very soon. Hi, Varis, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, beta. How are you doing this podcast today? Is it on holiday today?
Yes,
It's on holiday. Why? Why is today on holiday?
because I don't know actually.
You don't know?
I don't know.
I'll tell you, because of your Founders Week. There's so many celebrations which have happened in your school, and today is off while the other schools are open. And that is the reason we decided कि आज हम podcast इकट्ठे करेंगे. I am going to ask you a few questions, which I'm not prepared. But I just want you to answer them very genuinely, because जो मैं questions पूछूंगा वो मैंने आपको पहले नहीं पूछे हैं. But I want to ask you today. So, Varis, how do you like your city, Chandigarh? Do you like your city, Chandigarh?
I like it, but there's a few things I don't like.
Tell me, कौन सी चीजें आपको चंडीगढ़ के बारे में पसंद है और कौन सी चीजें चंडीगढ़ के बारे में नहीं पसंद है?
Chandigarh is big. Chandigarh has a lot of stores. Chandigarh is green, but it also has a lot of pollution.
Okay.
And Chandigarh is also very beautiful. It has like 11 lakh people living in it.
11 lakh, are you sure?
A little more than that,
Okay.
but approximately.
Okay. I don't know where you learned that from, but I'm glad you're saying a number. So what? So you like Chandigarh because it's green, but you don't like Chandigarh because it's polluted. तो चंडीगढ़ में ऐसा क्या होना चाहिए जिससे पोल्यूशन कम हो?
The smoke factory where they produce smoke should not produce smoke, and we should stop like throwing away trash, plastic bags and plastic bottles all over. Where we have trash cans for that, and we can also use glass bottles.
That's a very smart thing. आप ठीक कह रहे हो. अगर हम लोग सब लोग अपना ट्रैश मैनेजमेंट ठीक से कर पाए तो चंडीगढ़ कैन बी अ मच ग्रीनर and a better town. Now tell me about your school. Do you like your school, Vivek High?
I like my school a lot.
Why? Why do you like your school so much? Because let me complete. This is for the audience that any working day, my son will not miss the school for anything. And that, is extremely astonishing for me because जब हम छोटे होते थे, we were looking for any bahana to miss the school. But this boy wants to go to school every day. बारिश हो, कुछ भी हो, traffic हो, हमें out station जाना है, and he's fighting with us कि मेरे को school जाना है. So ऐसा क्या है उस school में that you want to go every day?
Because I have a lot of friends over there, and they don't only make us study, they also make us like do activities like. And because I'm in choir, we study very little, and we only sing and practice and practice. And when we get the time to study, we study a lot, but we also talk.
Oh, that's interesting. मतलब आप ये कहना चाहते हो आपका स्कूल पढ़ाई के अलावा आपको एक्टिविटीज भी काफी करवाता है? एंड आप कौन सी एक्टिविटी में? यू सेड choir.
Choir is only for the selected people. But in activities, we have sports class, fitness class, art class, dance class, and art class. And
That's it. So matlab your school is fun, huh? And you have friends. And I believe there are 3 sections in your class. Which are they? So एक ही class में there are 3 classes. And you are in which class? So in your own class, you are the eldest? So how do you treat the people younger to you?
Teach them a few things, like we have mentors, like I'm the mentor of Leonid and the mentor of Lazy. Whatever he needs help, he comes and asks me. So like the class 3 students, they are mentors of class 1 and class 2 students. Class 2 students don't need help, but class 1 needs, so whenever they need help, they ask.
So जब आप class 1 में थे, तो कोई class 2 and class 3 में भी था आपकी class 1? Okay. So this thing keeps changing. Okay. And that is exciting.
Next year, there will only be class 1 and 2.
Okay. And next year, आप कौन सी class में जाओगे? And उसके अंदर कौन सी classes होंगी?
No, class 3, no, class 4, 5 and 6.
Lovely. So now I'm going to ask you a question which every Indian parent asks their own children. कि बेटा आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो?
First, I thought that astronaut,
हाँ.
astronomer. Now I want to be a cricketer. I like bowling, but I also like space stuff. I also like astronomy.
Astronomy. So anything related to space, you like. That is the reason you have been pestering me to get you a telescope. Okay, I get your point. So you like the stars, you like the planets, you like the solar system. And आप एक बारी स्कूल में Saturn में थे ना solar system में. That was that. So क्या आपका interest तब से शुरू हुआ है? You don't know. Another question. You know, what is your father's dream कि आप कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ो?
Stanford.
Why?
I don't know, because it's a really good university.
Yeah, and have you been there?
Yes, once.
How did you like it?
I liked it a lot, but not very, very much. I liked it very much, but not very, very much.
ऐसा क्या है जो आपको पसंद आया और क्या है जो नहीं पसंद आया?
I don't know. I just didn't like it too much. Like, I don't like any university too much.
Okay. तो सबकी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं अच्छा लगता. Okay. एक चीज जो मैंने आपको सिखाई है वो क्या है? So did I teach you about money?
Yes, you did.
So do we have conversations about money?
I don't know. You asked me.
Okay. तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि will you work for money or money will work for you?
So first, I will work for money. I will invest. Then money will work for me.
Okay. तो मतलब आपको आइडिया है how financial freedom will be on your side?
Right.
You don't know. What kind of investments will you do?
I will do investments, like doing investments in gold is good. Like on my 9th birthday, I got gold from my dadu as a gift. I got 5 carat and 10 carat. If it's 1 rupee on my birthday, when I'm 30 years old, it will be 30 rupees.
So 5 carat or 5 grams?
5 grams.
And 10 grams. So you got so much gold. तो वो तो आपके दादू ने आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए दे दिया. आप अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट भी करोगे? Okay. And do you plan to become a millionaire? Okay. By when?
By 21.
That's very...
Because I've started investing since 7 years old.
Wow. And ये सिखाया किसने आपको? Why?
So that I can become a millionaire.
Correct. I want कि आप और आपकी एज के बच्चे वैल्यू ऑफ मनी समझे. जब भी कोई पैसा अर्न करता है उसके पास 3 ऑप्शंस होती हैं. Either to spend it, either to save it and to invest it. Right? तो हमने क्या सिखाया है आपको?
So if we spend it, we have nothing left. We can't invest. If we get 100 rupees for a salary, we spend 100 on it, like 50 for groceries and stuff, and other for like shopping. So I think that we should spend 50% of our salary, never save it. Like if you have 100 today, you have nothing to eat, and you only have 50 tomorrow, and the day after, you only have 50. So I think we should give 50 rupees for our money, 50% for groceries and stuff, and a little bit of shopping for like whatever you like, and the rest you invest.
So आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि अगर किसी की 100 रुपीज सैलरी है तो 50 रुपीज ही कैन यूज फॉर लिविंग हिज लाइफ, जिसमें वो ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग, हाउस रेंट, कार रेंट या कोई भी ऐसा खर्चा करे, एंड बाकी 50 रुपीज वो इन्वेस्ट करे. ओके. डू यू नो द पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग? So do you remember how money multiplies over the years? You don't remember? Okay. And in how many years does money should get doubled? Why?
Because like if it doubles in like less years, it is likely that it's not safe.
Okay, risky.
Yes, risky. Because someone can come and steal it. Like it's so much money. In 4 years, you can just take it out. And if it's too much time, then like, if I invest 1 rupee today and tomorrow it's 20 rupees, it's high. It's risky that someone can steal it.
Why can nobody can steal your money if you invested wisely?
No, if you invest wisely, then they can't. Like, if I invest 1 rupee today and in 4 years it becomes 10 rupees, that's good. Like, and if I invest 1 rupee today and in 7 years it only becomes 2 rupees, it's no point.
So I understand that अभी आपकी basics sharp होने वाले हैं, but what I'm so proud of is that a 9-year-old kid understands कि money should be invested. जब आप बड़े हो गए and when you start earning yourself either from salary or either from business, you will understand that you need to invest and you will have more clarity what is compounding. But I'm so proud of you that आज एक 9 साल का बच्चा पैसों के बारे में जानता है. हमारे घर में एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर है जहाँ पे हम मनी इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात करते हैं, ग्रोथ की बात करते हैं. And Varis, are you thirsty right now? Go for it. Tell me something. Why were you keen to come on this podcast?
Because I like to do.
You came on this podcast because you like the podcast alone? That's the only reason? Huh? Wow. And I like your genuine answer. How would you want your friends to see you on this podcast? मतलब my question is, मैं आपको फिर से पूछता हूँ. Are you keen that your friends should see you on YouTube on this podcast?
Like, I wouldn't go and tell them, but why would they go and search up on YouTube my solo TM podcasts? They won't go and search that, right?
So will you tell them?
Maybe.
If you'll keep it a secret?
No, I will maybe tell them.
You'll maybe tell them. Tell me about...
Or maybe if their parents know about this, like, you can share it with your friends, my friends' parents, and then they can tell my friends, and then they can watch it. So I'll not go and tell you that.
Okay. What do you know about insurance?
Insurances, like you should have 3 insurances. Health insurance, like whenever you're in hospital, you get injured, so you don't have to like go to the register and pay money. The insurances pay for your money. And personal accident insurance, when like you get injured, you get home from the hospital, you're still injured, you need bed rest. but you still keep getting the salary. And term insurance, when you die, your family gets money.
Okay, I'm so astonished कि आपको ये सारी चीजें पता है, because insurance widely unknown है अभी भी, especially for the people who are earning also. They resist insurance, they delay insurance, but insurance बहुत ही important चीज है जो आपके फंड पूल को प्रोटेक्ट करती है, आपको इमरजेंसी में हेल्प करती है. So I'm glad that you know all this. My next question to you, Varis, is name all the sports which you like and why.
Well, it like gets you patala.
Oh, you play football to get patla. Okay.
It gets your foot skills better and you can play. I like basketball. I like cricket. I like tennis. I like badminton. I also like golf. Cricket and golf I love. I don't like, I love.
Cricket and golf you love. And tennis?
Tennis, one step nature.
One step nature.
Baki all of them are like, tennis is a medium.
I have not played cricket with you, but I can surely say that in golf you always beat me. Right? And you always, with your handicap, which is lower than mine, you always try to get more birdies and more pars. Smart kid. Do you know what my Soho is?
My office?
Yes. So what does my Soho do? What does my Soho give to people?
Like office, like Zomato. What was that place's name?
Which one better?
No, that one.
So yes, I'll tell you.
That building Saraga.
So there are many buildings.
No, there was one building that you took me to and I said, "Chalo, go right now." Remember? And there's also Magnet over there.
Yes, Godrej.
Yeah, Godrej. So like you own an office in Godrej. So you get that office to Zomato. I don't know. Do they give you a rent or they like put it?
So my Soho builds an office and then furnishes it.
Is it?
Yes, it is a real estate company which builds office, furnishes an office, services an office, and then manages it for any brand, any size, in any city of India.
So Dadu also does the same thing?
Dadu does something very different.
Like what?
So he does real estate trading and dealing. He doesn't construct. He buys land and then sells land.
That's the same thing.
No, beta, we don't buy office. We rent an office, furnish it, and then give it on rent.
Matlab you get money and you also pay money.
Yes. This is how business happens. You buy something.
So you tell them that you pay them more. So like if they are asking you 5 rupees, you are asking them 6 rupees. So you earn 1 rupee.
Correct. This is how you earn money when you put value into something. I buy something, and I take something on rent, and we add value to it. What is the value? Value is that we furnish it, we service it, and we put a brand into it. And then people trust that brand. And when people trust something, we have paid for it. So this is what my Soho does. I would want to ask you one final question before we close the podcast. What do you think we should do as kids? Because you are in Vivek High, and you love Chandigarh, you love sports. What do you think the kids of your school and your age should do to make your city better?
They should tell their parents not to throw away stuff. And if their parents smoke, tell them to stop.
Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this podcast with my son, and I'm really looking forward for you to share this podcast so that every kid which is aged between 8 to 15 should watch this podcast and maybe get inspired from this young kid. Thank you so much, Paris, for coming to my show, to getting on this seat, getting recorded on a podcast, and we look forward to seeing more magic happening from you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.